spending. I spent till I'm dizzy, I get to them binges. I been winning. Ain't calling it quits, I'ma fight to the
Here's my shotgun.
Oh, this mud beautiful with the wood grain.
Yeah. Now if you look at the trigger head over here, there's a double trigger, front or back.
One round, y'all. One round, two triggers.
Which one's the bottom? The question that's plagued everyone for centuries.
Yes. which one is it? Which trigger did he put that hook in?
Let's try the front one.
Let's see if he gonna get it right on the first one. Oh, you picked the right trigger.
Back trigger is the top barrel and front trigger is the bottom barrel.
Okay, so now we know if you put one at the top, hit the front, and if you put one at the bottom, hit the back. Right?
No, actually, it's if you want the top, you hit the bottom one, and if you want the bottom one, you hit the front one.
Okay, I said it wrong. I'm having people shooting wrong. That's a dope ass shotgun. Two triggers, one for the top, one for the bottom, man. Look at the hole they put in that thing, man. Look at the hole.
Super stiff.
This is a good old range fun, man. Good old range fun. And now he put in the bottom one. Look at that trigger. These shotguns ain't no joke.
Oh man, that's stiff. Definitely needs to be broken.
Yeah, he gotta break all these guns in. My guy have all these fancy guns that he just breaking them in. Let's see if he gonna remember which one bottom trigger, which one top trigger. That's how I see these double triggers. Two triggers, you know what I'm saying?
It's supposed to sit like that. Yeah.
1, 2.
Remember, when you're closing it, you gotta close it hard. And then when you're loaded, pull the safety forward. That one forward. Now you're good to go.
What?
We want to, but don't want to at the same time because we don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah, what the?
Yeah, honestly, you can do them both at the same time, but I don't think I want to.
I'm gonna be the dumbass. I'll be the dumbass to pull both triggers.
You gotta do it hard, real hard. Really hard. So you're trying to break the gun in half.
I know, right?
All right, so this gun has two triggers. So I think I'm gonna take it upon myself to pull both triggers at the same time for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna fire both barrels at the same time. Hopefully y'all see me tomorrow.
If we don't, I call dibs on your gun that you bought.
Alright.
Look, they say they call dibs on the gun if I don't make it till tomorrow. So one of y'all get this camera from me. All right, so both triggers at the same time, right?
Now, this, pull forward, aim out range.
Alright, now you're good to go.
I'm good to go.
Alright.
Both triggers, y'all ready?
Alright. Wow.
Bro, that's not no joke.
You blew the target off the paper.
Nah, for real, I took the target away. Hey, did y'all hear the crazy sound it made? Yeah. Hey, man, I can't lie to y'all. My shoulder felt that one. Man, that was an experience. That was the experience of a lifetime right there. I recommend y'all do it.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Lil Z took out the target. Bye-bye target. I don't even know what it looked like. Oh, look.
I I saw
When you back. Yeah, boom. It took me back. It took me back. I damn near passed the shooting line. Who's next?
Yeah.
It make you want to try it though, right?
Okay, I'm gonna do it once. Okay?
Once, you got to. It's your gun, so you gotta know how it feels. Honestly, it's not that bad. I know from looking at it, it had to look worse than it felt, or sounded worse than it felt.
All right.
He's gonna hit both triggers this time.
All right. Double barrels. Here we go.
Let's get it. Double trigger shotgun, man. Woo! It wasn't that bad, right? Yeah, it did hurt. This shit does hurt. Man. Hey, man, that gun too pressure. Double triggers, man. That gun is too pressure with double trigger. That's the first time I shot a gun with 2 triggers and I pulled both triggers at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I ain't no hurt, you know what I'm talking about? So, yeah, I'm gonna take a chance to advance, man. Take that leap of faith. You know what I'm talking about? I gotta give me one of those guns, bro, with the double trigger. That mud is too pressure. It's stuck. Maybe we weren't supposed to fire it with 2 at the same time.
You wanna try?
But yeah, to YouTube, I appreciate y'all for watching this video. I know it was kind of short and sweet or whatnot. Y'all see me hit the double trigger shotgun or whatnot. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all drop a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, bro. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Yeah, man.
Binges, I been winning. Ain't calling it quits, I'ma fight to the finish. You know that we with it. Ain't never been average, my